Hey, it's Carl. So I've had Apple Vision Pro for the last little while. I'm gonna give you my hot take review in 60 seconds. So hands down, the best AR, VR headset that I've used without question, end of debate, period. Is it worth it as a Gen 1 product for $3,500? I honestly still don't think so for most people. So build quality first, it's made from Apple. It's on point, made out of premium materials, glass, lots of aluminum, no weird finicky plastic bits. The strap is next gen. It's great because you can tighten it with this little scroll wheel. It doesn't mess up your hair, but I will say it's heavy. You notice the weight, and this cable kind of gets in your way, and it's attached to the battery pack. At least it's premium. The vision, the optics, the resolution is by far the best, industry leading. It is super crisp, nice and clear. The pass through on it is incredible. When you're immersed in the space, you feel like you're inside something else. I can't remember the last time I've smiled this much on a tech product. It is truly revolutionary. Controls are really intuitive. Everything kind of works with your fingers, and everything is mapped to your retinas wherever you're looking. It is kind of weird to see your own little persona that I created, a bit surreal, honestly. The best use case for this is definitely connecting to your Mac to create that virtual desktop or workspace, editing in Final Cut on this massive screen. I could honestly see myself using this to watch like 6 football, soccer games at the same time, but for immersion within that Apple ecosystem. I think that's the key thing. You have to be dedicated to the space. $3,500, 5,000 Canadian. It's a lot of money to spend, but let me know if you are someone that would pick one up. Battery life, 2.5 hours. There needs to be more apps, but remember, Gen 1, and I guess that's the price to pay for being an early adopter.
This is nuts, bro. This is honestly crazy. Like, I'm living in another reality.